From the sharp, clean cuts through timber to the thunderous crash of falling trees, every moment is breathtakingly real. Join Hall Tech and explore the world of forestry machines, where raw power meets precision engineering in an unforgettable experience. I held my breath when I watched this video. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for land management, the UFCA's Green Tech range, especially the Forest Cutter 8, won't let you down. This machine offers precise tree cutting, full tree felling, and effective clearing of dense underbrush. What truly sets it apart is its ability to collect debris even in sensitive areas, minimizing environmental impact and reducing cleanup costs. It's an ideal choice for any land management professional. Want to see how technology is changing the forestry industry? Look at Rotex AG. They are experts in helicopter logging with over 20 years of experience. Their process is down to a science. It's impressive to see how they use helicopters to carefully remove logs from the forest, both efficiently and with minimal environmental impact. The crew removed 21 maple trees with diameters under 30 centimeters to improve tree density in the area. Among them, 5 were already dead, and many others showed signs of uneven growth. This thinning process was carried out to give the remaining, healthier trees more room to grow. The felled wood was processed using a Morbark 2400 XL Hurricane chipper, capable of handling logs nearly 50 centimeters thick. Chipping the wood on site significantly reduced transportation and cleanup costs, making it an efficient solution in terms of both time and budget. The Volvo FH440 is a clear testament to exceptional power and engineering. Even while hauling 60 tons of timber uphill, it runs smoothly and with commanding force. Machines like this make you truly appreciate the precision in design and performance, a true symbol of strength in the world of transport. The Frontier OS 27 is a new sawmill model from Norwood, a trusted name with years of experience in the portable sawmill industry. Built for durability, safe operation, and reliable performance, the OS 27 meets a wide range of cutting needs. Priced at just $3,647, it's a smart and affordable option for individuals and small-scale producers. There's no denying it. Tree felling requires strength and skill. But that doesn't stop dedicated women who are passionate about chainsaw work. They can do the job just as well, and often exceptionally. A large tree stump is usually no small challenge, but with the combination of the John Deere 7700 and the Levy-Alary attachment, the job becomes easier than ever. With Levy's precise grip and John Deere's powerful pulling force, the entire process is quick and highly efficient. When it comes to professional forestry equipment, few names stand out like the John Deere 1170W. Built for durability, this machine is engineered to perform reliably in the toughest terrains. The CH6 parallel crane offers fast and precise handling, while the PowerTech Plus engine delivers strong pulling power even at low RPMs. No matter where you work, this harvester is always ready to get the job done efficiently. Experience helped him escape danger. A Caterpillar bulldozer clearing dense forest isn't just a display of brute force. It's a demonstration of optimized engineering. Every movement is fine-tuned, from the pulling power to the design of the chains, allowing it to tear through vegetation and roots with surgical precision. It's a clear example of calculated, efficient mechanical power at work. The Red Roo SP8018 TRX is the ideal machine for heavy-duty tasks in arboriculture and land management. Equipped with a 99 horsepower turbo diesel engine, it can grind down large stumps in just minutes. Built for high performance, it's perfectly suited for contractors, public works teams, and large-scale landscaping projects. In the field of land management, dealing with large tree stumps is one of the biggest challenges. The custom stump splitter developed by Sunrise Excavating delivers exceptional splitting force, significantly reducing the time and effort required for removal. It's a game-changing solution for contractors and land management professionals. Have you ever wondered how wooden poles end up so smooth and perfectly round? I just discovered an amazing machine, the Moorbark PSP Peeler. It strips rough logs with incredible speed and precision. The result? Uniform, polished wood that's ready to use. It's fascinating to see how technology is transforming the way we process wood. That was a close call. Just goes to show that even the pros can make mistakes. Always remember that safety comes first. The Strand Killer is a high-powered machine designed to handle complex stump removal tasks in forestry. With its strong hydraulic jaws, it efficiently cuts and extracts roots while minimizing disruption to the soil structure. The Sarah 110, a portable sawmill made in Germany, is an excellent choice for milling logs right on site. It easily handles logs over 1 meter in diameter without breaking a sweat. Instead of spending time and money transporting timber to the mill, now you can bring the sawmill to the wood. With its sturdy frame, powerful engine, and high-precision bandsaw, the Sarah 110 delivers smooth, uniform lumber, making it ideal for carpenters and small-scale wood shops. Don't let its size fool you. This small tractor packs an impressive punch. Paired with a smart winch setup, it handles large stumps surprisingly well. Has anyone here dealt with stump removal like this before? How long does it usually take to finish the job?